on? What she got on her feet? What is this? Wait a minute.
Don't hate, baby.
This is where it ends. This is the last straw.
No, Spider-Man. This is where you die.
Yeah, you got that, bro. I'm out.
Are you the guy from TikTok? Stop! Stop! Stop!
More than one language? Tell me, what language do you switch to when you're mad?
I would probably say Spanish. Oh, damn it! ¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
Bridget, stop it!
What? That's how you
Dude, get your freaking hand. No, you don't get your fingers all nasty. Look, if you want your whole Oreo nice and flumpy, what you gotta do is you gotta go take it like this. Perfect. With your fingernails. And you just perfectly get it in. See that? Perfect. I'm not getting my fingers all nasty. Bridget!
But I'm always right, so I know how to shoot.